Hi, my name is David. I'm a site superintendent for StreetSide developments. Today we're going to discuss foundations and excavations. So when we're building your home, the first step that we take after all the planning process is finished is we stake out the lot. So we put stakes in the corners telling us what depth to dig to and what location to dig the hole to be able to put a foundation in. In order to excavate, we need to, in the winter time, we need to rip the frost out of the ground, which means they break up the frozen earth. Then they dig all that dirt out. Then they start digging on the dirt that we're going to set the foundation on. They dig that to a specific depth. Then we have that surveyed. It gets inspected by city inspectors and by engineers. Once that step's done, we do a trunk line in which we put our drains running out to the city sewer lines. So that's the white pipes that you'll see in the foundation here. Once the trunk lines are in, those also get inspected and then backfilled. And then we start working on doing our footings. So we crib the footings to an engineered dimension, depth and width, and we put the metal rebar into the footing so when we put the walls on top of the footing, we can crib the walls, pour the concrete, and it ties the two together. So these are footing pads, and what they're doing right here is setting up the cribbing for the walls. Once they've got this cribbing in place, then they'll pour the concrete into the walls, then they'll remove the cribbing, and then we have another inspection process. The city has to come and do an inspection, engineers have to come and do an inspection, and then we'll backfill. So the backfill process, they put the dirt back into the hole, fill it back in, and compact it as they go. Once that's done, we've got a foundation to begin our framing on.